Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today with a really interesting power bank, which actually is the most powerful that we have tested so far. It has an output of 65 watts and it's called Trust Laro. I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check prices and so on and so forth, but I would suggest a reminder that at this time of the year on most shops prices will go like waves, so just have in mind I've seen this power bank for roughly 70 euros, 70 US dollars more or less, which I believe to be a great price for this power bank right over here for what it offers. But if you see huge prices, then just wait for a little bit and you'll be able to get it at a fair price. Of course, if it's cheaper, then don't wait in a second because it's just awesome. It has a USB type A, a USB type C. Type C will be able to charge up to 65 watts, which is the most powerful power bank that we have seen in terms of output. And in terms of the USB type A, we'll have a maximum output of 27 watts. And one exercise that I enjoy doing is comparing that to the amount of times that I can charge my devices. Now, my MacBook Pro will be able to be charged 3.5 times. My Samsung will be able to be charged 4 times, and my iPhone 11 Pro 6.5 times, which is just great, and you can have an idea how much this power bank takes. So 3.5 times my MacBook Pro, it's huge, especially having in mind that my MacBook Pro takes 1 day of full work without any issues whatsoever. So 1 full day here means that I have got another 3.5 days right over here. In terms of the build quality, it's also interesting because it's plastic, but it looks like carbon fiber. Really awesome, and it's quite heavy. It weighs almost half a kilo, and it has on the right side right over here an indication LED of the battery levels, 25% each dots, and when it's charging we will see a blue light and then the other dots blinking. It also will be able to charge as a quick charge, and it will take roughly 1.30 minutes or 2 hours to completely charge the power bank so that we can then use it to charge our devices. And this is it, in my opinion, one of the best price to performance power banks that we have seen, and as a fact this is the most powerful one in terms of output, delivering 65 watts, which is the strongest one that we have seen. As always, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge. Today we did Trust Laro, link down below, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.